Welcome to Regenamex, where we explore groundbreaking therapies. Today, we delve into a game changer: stem cells for tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis. Understanding tennis elbow. Tennis elbow, medically known as lateral epicondylitis, is a common affliction characterized by pain and tenderness on the outer part of the elbow. It occurs due to repetitive motion and overuse of the forearm muscles and tendons. The promise of PMSC therapy. Regenamex pioneers the use of expanded placental mesenchymal stem cells, PMSCs, to combat tennis elbow. Derived from the placenta, these cells are nurtured in our labs to enhance their potency. PMSCs possess a remarkable ability to transform into tendon cells, tenocytes, fostering tissue repair and rejuvenation within the affected tendons. How PMSCs work. When injected into the damaged tendon at the lateral epicondyle, PMSCs stimulate the body's innate healing mechanisms. They release growth factors that promote tendon regeneration, enhancing structural integrity and restoring normal elbow function. This therapeutic approach not only alleviates pain, but also improves overall elbow mobility. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation exacerbates tennis elbow symptoms, leading to prolonged discomfort and tissue damage. PMSCs exhibit potent anti-inflammatory properties, modulating the immune response and creating a conducive environment for effective tendon repair. By reducing inflammation, PMSC therapy aids in minimizing secondary tissue damage and accelerates recovery. Non-invasive and personalized care. At Regenamex, patient well-being is paramount. Our PMSC therapy is minimally invasive, involving precise injections guided by ultrasound. This approach ensures minimal discomfort and lowers the risk of complications, eliminating the need for invasive surgical procedures. Each treatment plan is tailored to meet the unique needs of every patient, ensuring optimal outcomes and personalized care. In conclusion, the use of expanded placental mesenchymal stem cells represents a significant leap forward in the treatment of tennis elbow. Regenamex is committed to advancing the field of regenerative medicine, offering hope and relief to individuals suffering from tennis elbow. With PMSC therapy, we aim not only to alleviate pain and enhance elbow function, but also to reduce recovery time significantly. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge regenerative therapies, and join us in bringing healing and innovation to those in need.